By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do SQL right joins, and we'll do a walkthrough in MySQL with yours truly. What was once one of the most intimidating and feared of the joins will soon come natural to you if you follow along with me in this quick tutorial. Above is an example right join. The most important thing to remember with a right join is that your second table, or table B, is your base table. This means the number of records in table B will stay the same before, during, and after the join. The only difference is what new data can be brought across from your first table, or table A, based upon the join key condition, which is customer ID in this case. This is an additional visualization of how this works. As you can see, in a right join, your second table, or right-hand table, or table B, is your base table, meaning records in table B stay the same before, during, and after the join operation. The only difference is what new data can be brought across from your first table, or table A, into your final data set. Here is a real-world example. As you can see, our second table, or table B, is our base table. It is a table of players with their customer ID and their lifetime revenue. What we are trying to do is to bring across as many matching email addresses from our first table, or table A, and we will do this through a right join in MySQL. As you can see, the number of records before the join and after the join from table B remain the same. The only difference is one customer ID value in table B was not found in table A, resulting in the highlighted record, which was not able to bring across a valid email from table A, and thus that value is null. Moving to MySQL, we are going to do this example together, but first I'm going to show you the records in table A, which is our emails, and the records in table B, which is our players and their lifetime revenue. What we are going to do is join this data together through a right join and bring across as many emails as we can from table A, or our first table, to our base table, or table B. So let's do this now. Remember, our first table, or table A, is not our base table. Our base table is our second table. And we are joining on customer ID. Since our second table is our base table, let's list out our columns from our base table first. And then bring across as many emails as we can. You will see that we will successfully bring across emails for all of our records in table B except for one. And here you go, the last record is the record that had a customer ID value in table B but not in table A, and thus no email was brought across. This concludes our example on how to do a right join. If you like this content, continue to subscribe and like. Thank you very much.